Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the show. This is your cheesy food right here at Teenager and Teenage Dragon Taoism channel. Today, we're back to the celestial medic topic, one of the most misunderstood concept in Taoism, the essence. I don't know why people like to link up essence to the semen or sperm. So people have this wrong concept of essence and they try to save up the essence and turn out it's like, yeah, they try to make, the thing, and then they hold it and not ejaculate. Okay, if you're in this scam or trap, get out of it. It's not related. The essence is not talking about that. Okay, so yeah, in Chinese it's very confusing because it's almost the same word, not the same, but almost. The sperm we call tinjee. Okay, there's two words, tinjee. Right, the essence is the jing. It's like hot dog versus dog. Is it the same thing? You get it, right? Okay, so let me tell you what is the essence and how do you know if you have a lot of essence today or do you run out of essence and that kind of thing. How do you know, right? Okay, first of all, it's very clear. It's very like precisely explained. Okay, look, there's a yun sun right here. Okay, yun sun is your spiritual planetary body. It rains down its essence to you, but not directly to the you here. It rains down to what we call your ghost altar, which is like a docking station for your soul. That's where a part of your soul is. And that rains down the stuff to you here. So it's a three station, one, two, three. Okay, when essence first goes down to your ghost altar, it converts that essence into chi. And this chi we call negative chi. It's the power that you use to do your mental processing work. It gives you the power to think, to digest information, to break down things that you heard and understand things, right? So that means if you run out of essence, you will always have this issue listening to people, and then you're kind of like, it disassociate. You cannot really understand things. It's like you tell this guy a lot of stuff. He heard you, but he just I don't know what you just said. It's like I heard everything. I just don't get it. There are people like that. I have seen people do that right in front of me. Like I told him a lot of things that yeah, yeah, and then what do you say? It's like that. That is you're out of essence. People who are always mentally fried, for example, your job is like a programmer or something like that, and you use a lot of your brain power, right? That also drains that negative soul, and you're pulling in more essence to help you get the job done. If you run into the situation where like I keep thinking but there's no idea and then I keep having headache, that is the sign you ran out of essence. Okay? This essence, it creates a negative chi. Negative chi will flow down to you here locally and enters from the top of your head and all the way to the heart right here in the energy heart, right? Energy body heart. And that's what keep you alive. Okay? If you don't have enough essence, you will not be able to create that negative chi. It will not be able to feel the heart. That means you will die soon. Okay, so there are stories of people dying very early because they use their mental power so much. There was a news on TikTok, 25 something years old programmer died suddenly because they were like doing so much work with the mental power, and they always OT, like that, and you just burn out that power and you run out of essence. You cannot keep going. Your heart fail and you will just instantly pass away and you're done. Okay? So the essence is very important, because if you have enough essence, it will make the chi, it will make the chi to like go into here, and you will have the power in the heart, and you can continue. Okay, so yeah, whenever we have desire, we want answers to something, we are drawing essence from the yun san. For example, what should I eat? When is this thing coming? Oh, what should I do for this? You always think, right? When you think of something you want answers, essence is being drawn over. You are calling for it. Okay, so that means if you always have a bad habit of thinking about things that is not related to you, or you love overthinking by like, let me just simulate, what if, like there are people who are like, what if my house suddenly get on fire, what should I do? What if there's like this happen, what should I do? What if the zombie come? Like, all that thing is not going to happen. Okay, but because you were thinking about it, you use up the essence, right? Okay, think about it. If essence is money, you use up all the money for a project that will never be needed, then you don't have money for things that actually is needed, right? So your life is going to shorten. Things that you want to be successful with, it's going to have less success. It's not a good idea, right? So do not be the one always overthinking. What if, and then overburn that essence. That is how you can save up the essence for things that are actually needed. It's not about sex, it's not about your sperm, it's about here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Remote time.